Good morning. Today's class has been brought to you by Riddell, manufacturers of high quality football equipment. Today we're going to be wrapping up our sports posters project. We're going to start by taking a look at your work and then I'm going to explain my expectations for today. So here we have Amanda's and she did a really great job. She's got lots of things going on. I'm going to ask that she include these action photos of Antigua as color images, color cutouts rather than desaturated. We want the portrait to be the only one that's desaturated. Nice one, Hakeem. I like that you included your original awards and accomplishments. I see 2013 is hugging the corner of the page. You always want that off a little bit, and I'm looking at the website. It needs to be bigger. That goes for everybody. Nice job, Brandon, improving everything. Listen, you got to put layer styles on your text. You're going to talk to a neighbor about that if you go to layer style, maybe a drop shadow and stroke. Otherwise, looks good. Nice job fixing the website. Amani, this is a wonderful start. I'm going to take a look at another image in a second. I can see that you did leading. Nice job, Miranda, helping out. You need to desaturate Amari, and you need to make sure you apply blending modes. Miranda, if you could help her out, that would be great because here blending modes were applied, but we want to make sure it's exclusive to the portrait and not to the action shots. Kimberly, wonderful job. Thank you for taking my suggestions from yesterday and moving Scholar Athlete. Try a different font for Scholar Athlete, but this looks wonderful. Nice job, Henry. Way to go. If I were you, can you put most improved in here among these awards? Because you certainly most improved with this project. Nice job, Antigua. I really like how you. Let me get this out of here. I really like how you squeezed in Scholar Athlete. This looks outstanding. Dude, make your website much bigger. It's going to go from the left side of your forehead to the right side of the portrait. Joseph, you got a lot of work to do. I see lots of empty space. You're going to maybe make these images, the action shots bigger, include a few more, make your poster bigger. I'm looking for some progression today. But Queen, nice job making the logo bigger. No stroke on the website. Let's see what more we can do. Ina is doing amazing job. She and Autumn are really coming through, and I appreciate it because here we have this great poster featuring Kimberly, and she added the waves. Here is Autumn's with the galaxy outer space blending mode. You guys are going to be adding textures today. Here's another one that Autumn created. Listen, Autumn, you might want to change the layer style depending on the background. So here it's black and black. That's not great. I would either make the text light, make it white, or give this a really nice outer glow, maybe like a yellow outer glow so that Najee's name stands out a little bit more. Lissandro, nice job, dude. I really, really like this. I want your name to be much bigger. I want that to go from the left side of the page to the right side of the page. We can put maybe professional rocker somewhere else. This is Maritza's. Nice job, Maritza. You don't need a stroke on the website. And you know what? If it's going to be purple, it might contrast with some of the other backgrounds. So you might consider changing that. But this looks really, really good. Hey, we've got also Ina's again. This looks amazing. And Laura's, nice job coming through. I noticed you put awards and stuff and things. I'm sure you're going to fix this up. And we can make this website white with a little drop shadow. But otherwise, this looks good. So what I notice is that when I'm looking at this, image that Ina created, for example. It's good, but it's kind of bland in the background. So she's going to be continuing adding textures like she did right here with the ocean. She's going to download her own textures. She can get whatever she wants that she looks cool, that she thinks looks cool. And because we are the Academy of Urban Planning, which means lots of things, among them architecture and the way that people interact in the dense environment. We also think a lot about transportation. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this image of Joseph that we've been working on, and it's sort of similar to Ina's before. And what I'm going to do is create a new layer above the gradient layer. So I'm looking for lots of gradients that you should have already submitted to me, and I'm going to press Control V to paste. And now I can see this. I'm going to zoom in, and I can see it's right there. I'm going to press Control U to desaturate. There we go. But I don't love that because now that it's desaturated, I no longer can see the gradient behind it. So I'm going to change this to, let's try multiply. And you can go through and you can try the other blending modes. That looks kind of cool. You do what you think looks best. If you find that maybe it's a little too dark or too dense, what we can do is drop the opacity down a little bit, and I can see that some of the arteries of this subway line is going across Joseph's shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the eraser tool. I'm going to erase it out, and it's not that big a deal, but it might be on yours. So all of a sudden, this is starting to look really, really good. I'm expecting you guys apply a subway map. You guys apply the ocean, the outer space, the fire, along with your own textures. You're going to be working and working hard. There's no excuse to get out of your seat. I care about you. If you need help, ask me or ask a classmate nearby. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck.